Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow. So, the first stock is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, if you see, after in a good downtrend, being in a good downtrend, it tried to go up, but twice it has failed, and again it is coming back to the same level. Okay, so chances are that if it breaks tomorrow 423 level, we will sell this. Entry and SL will be provided in the Telegram channel, so please follow us there. We provide all the entries, SL, and also sometimes live market calls. Please follow us on Telegram. Let's see next stock, that is Dabur. Dabur, if you see, before market crash, which had happened due to COVID, it was near this 520 level for very long time. Okay, and then it has been testing this level consistently. Other if you see other FMCG companies, they have either broken their high or almost crossed this. If you take Jubilant Food and other things, so what can happen here is it can break in tomorrow's session. If not in tomorrow's session, in coming session, yes, it can break and it can give us a two, at least what I expect is 2 to 3% of move in a buying direction. So for tomorrow, we'll keep it for a buy. Next one is Godrej Properties. This is for sell. Now, if you see, there is here we have this trend line, okay, which has been tested multiple times. Okay, now what it did, market today tried to go up, but it got rejected. Uh, Stop. So now, if in tomorrow session, if it breaks this level, it can give a sharp good move. Okay, so we'll have multiple targets here. I'll provide that in Telegram channel. Next one is Havels. Havels, if you see, it gave a good up move. A single candle was really good, around 4%. Next, it was a huge fall. Again, it tried to go up, but again after that a huge fall. So here we see there is a selling pressure. Okay, so if there is a selling pressure, we in tomorrow's session, if this level is broken, what we will do is we'll plan to sell with a small SL, and then we'll see what can we achieve as a target. Okay, next one is LIC Housing Finance. LIC Housing Finance is quite similar to Godrej Properties, but the difference is there was a trend line. Here we have a zone line. Okay, so it from this zone it has been tested. It is being tested multiple times. Tried to go up again, was thrown down. So in tomorrow's session, what we can do is we can plan to sell this. Okay, now let's see how we'll trade Nifty in tomorrow's session. Okay, if you see Nifty, it has formed kind of a hammer, inverted hammer type of candle. Yes, not very appropriate, but yes, kind of inverted hammer pattern. And why it is more crucial at this level is we see it was a reversal zone here. So once there is a reversal zone and we find these kind of candles, what we can do is we can sell. Okay, we'll initiate a sell. So now what is my strategy for tomorrow? First strategy is I will be ready to sell. There's no buying idea until now. So tomorrow is the plan to sell. If you see, it has been consistently breaking this trying to break this 500 level, 11,500 level, but again rejection and go up. In tomorrow's session, if it breaks this again this level around 60, 460 or 500, first will be 500 and then 460. If it breaks, we'll keep a small target and we'll achieve it. Once 400 is broken, then I'll plan for a 100-point target minimum with SL of 20 to 30 points. Okay, if now again all these scenarios are when it has slight gap up, slight gap down, or even flat. When it is when there is a huge difference, only then we have to plan little different way depending on the price action. Okay, now similarly on Nifty, Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty, yes, the fall is little different than Nifty. In Nifty, the recovery is little good, but in Bank Nifty there was no that not that much recovery. So what we can plan for tomorrow's session. Now similarly, yes, here also we are ready for to sell, but the plan here will be whenever it crosses 350 or even 300 level, I will be ready to sell with 60 or 70 points of SL, and the target would be 300 points from here. Ideally what I am planning is that first target will be 11,000 sorry 21,900. So we'll wait for that target. If not, I'll be trailing the SL. So this is the plan for tomorrow. If you learned something, if you understood the logic behind the video, please do like, and if you are not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe so that you will get the updates regularly. Thanks a lot for watching the video.